Alright, I'm going to start. I'm going to try to do the very first start using the electric starter. The bike is pretty well put together. Drop the seat on, put the primary cover back on, and that'll do her. But right now I've turned on the gas, I've tickled the carbs, turned on the ignition. There. And walk around here and see what happens. This is an experiment. Okay. How's that for magic? Wow, first electric start. We caught it on video. Not bad. That's using a stock small battery. If you find it slowing down when you start it, we can put in a larger battery with more cranking power. But this thing's been sitting for a couple of weeks, so maybe it just needs to charge itself up. We'll press the red button and kill it. Yep, that killed it. Let's see if it'll do another start. I think it does need a bigger battery. You heard it hesitate there? We'll put a supercharge on it and see how it goes. Alright, going to call it good for the time being. I'll dress it out, take it for a